How can I retrieve deleted Instagram chats?
Hello viewers. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about a common problem we've all faced at one time or another: accidentally deleting important chats on Instagram. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know how to retrieve deleted Instagram chats. Let's get started.
Can I retrieve deleted Instagram chats?
Before we dive into the solution, let's clarify a question many of you might have. Can I actually retrieve deleted Instagram chats? Yes, you can. Instagram allows you to access your data, including deleted chats. However, it's important to remember that the retrieval process may not always be successful. Instagram doesn't guarantee that all the deleted data can be recovered, but it's definitely worth a try.
What are the steps to retrieve deleted Instagram chats?
Now that we have cleared that up, let's delve into the steps you need to follow to retrieve your deleted chats. Step 1. Open your Instagram application and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, in the top right corner of your profile page and select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, select Security. Step 4. Under the Security option, you will see Download Data. Click on it. Step 5. Here, you'll need to enter your email address where you want to receive the link to your data. Once entered, click Request Download. Step 6. Instagram will ask you to enter your password to verify it's you. After entering your password, Instagram will start creating a file of all your data. Step 7. Wait for an email from Instagram. It might take up to 48 hours for you to receive it. Step 8. Once you get the email, download the file. This file will have all your data, including your chats. And there you have it. With these steps, you can retrieve your deleted Instagram chats. Please remember, this is a data retrieval method and Instagram doesn't guarantee full recovery of deleted chats. But it's the best option you have. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.